Now this is lesson 8 in algebra, and it's called applying algebra, and we're going to apply algebra to real world problems. Not difficult problems, but problems that might crop up every now and again. So we're going to use a word description. We're going to change that word description to an algebraic expression and then use it to solve a problem. Here's example 1. It says the perimeter of a rectangle is given by the formula 2L plus 2B. So we've got an algebraic expression, 2L plus 2B, and you've seen that before as a formula for the perimeter of a rectangle. Okay, now L represents the length, B represents the breadth. So part A says find the perimeter of the rectangle if L equals 5 and B equals 7. So let's write out our expression. We have 2L plus 2B. 2L means 2 times L, so we're going to say 2 times whatever L is, and in this case it's 5, plus 2 times whatever B is, in this case it's 7. So 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14, so our answer is 24. Second question, find the perimeter of a rectangle with length 8 centimeters and breadth 3 centimeters. Well, let's write out our formula again. 2L plus 2B. 2L means 2 times L, so it's 2 times 8. 2B means 2 times B, which in this case B is 3, so it's 2 times 3. So we have 2 lots of 8, which is 16, 2 lots of 3, which is 6. So 16 plus 6 equals 22 centimeters. Okay, example 2. It says write expressions for each of the following. So part A, write an expression for the total cost in dollars of 10 bottles if each bottle costs X dollars. So we're going to write down let's see, we're going to use a couple of things. We've already got one letter, which is X, which is representing the cost of the bottles. I'm also going to use the letter to represent C and the cost, and I'm going to use the letter C. So the cost is lots of X bottles. So the cost is going to be 10 times X. We're going to write down as 10X dollars. Now, part B, the total cost in dollars of hiring a plumber for N hours. The plumber charges a call-out fee of $30, and plus he charges $60 per hour. So again, we've got total cost, so I'm going to use C again. Total cost, we have N as the number of hours. So we have N as the number of hours, and we have $60 per hour, which is similar to part A. We've also got this call out fee. Now that is a fixed cost. We call it a fixed cost because no matter how many hours or minutes the plumber is called out for, we're charged $30. Okay? No matter what happens. So this is what our formula will look like. C will equal our fixed cost, which is $30, plus X, sorry, not X, we're going to use N, aren't we? Yes. We're going to use N times the number of hours times $60. Now we're going to simplify that to look like this. The cost will equal $30 up front, fixed fee, flat rate, plus n times 60. We know we're going to write that as $60 or 60n dollars. Now, part C. Plumber charges a $60 call-out fee plus $50 per hour. Use an expression to find how much an 8-hour job would cost. Okay, so we're going to use C again. Guess we'll use N for the number of hours. So I'll have N for the number of hours. We use C for the total cost. Now, our call-out fee is $60. The number of hours times our hourly rate, which is $50. So our formula will look like this: $60 plus $50 dollars. Now, the second part of this question is, well, how much would an 8-hour job cost? Well, an 8-hour job, we just have to replace the N with 8. So we have C will equal $60 plus $50 times 8. So we have 60 plus 400. 8 times 50 is 400. So the total cost of that job is going to be 60 plus 400, which is $460. Okay, so I want you to work through those questions, see how you go. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up or subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.